In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off SafeSearch on Google Chrome using a laptop, step by step. This is a quick and simple setting change that can help you get more relevant search results when you're browsing on Google. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop. You can do this from your taskbar, desktop, or start menu, depending on how your computer is set up. Once Chrome is open, go to google.com in the address bar and press enter. This will take you to the Google homepage where you can access your search settings. Now look toward the bottom right corner of the Google homepage. You should see a settings option there. Click on settings and a menu will appear with different options related to Google search preferences. From that menu, click on search settings. This will open the page where you can manage your Google search filters and preferences. On the search settings page, look for the Safe Search option. SafeSearch is the feature that filters explicit content from your Google search results. If you want to turn it off, click on SafeSearch and select Off. Once you make that choice, Google will save the setting automatically, so you do not need to press a save button or confirm anything else. After that, you can go back and search normally in Google Chrome on your laptop, and SafeSearch should be turned off. If you ever want to turn it back on later, you can return to the same settings and switch it again. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to turn off SafeSearch on Google Chrome laptop in just a few simple steps. If this video was helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more quick tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.